welcome to Social Studies class. So today we're going to be learning about some of the characteristics of a good friend. So what it means to be a good friend. What are some things you need to have in order for you to be a good friend of someone else? We're also going to be making a craft. It's going to be a friendship craft. And we'll read a book and listen to our story. So let's get started and yeah, let's get to it. Alrighty, boys and girls, so here's the first thing we're going to do. First, take off the staple. Okay. You should have 4 pieces. Your friendship, the background, your water, and your sun. Okay, so let's start off by cutting around the sun and the water. Let's do that really quick. Just cut the waves. And then cut around the sun. Okay. Alright, now for this portion, we want to trace the words. So what I would like for you to do is grab your colored pencils, or you can use the markers, and I want you to trace all these words inside. So let's read them. The first one says happy. So in order for you to be a good friend, you have to be happy, right? Because if you're always sad, do you think people are going to want to play with you? Probably not, right? You also have to be caring. So you have to care for your friends. Okay, so caring. Happy, caring. You have to be nice. Right? Remember in the enemy pie story, at first Jeremy Jacob wasn't always that nice, so our friend from the story, he didn't like him, right? But it was until he was kind and he went over to invite him to play, right, that he found out that Jeremy was actually a good friend. So you also have to be kind. So you have to be nice, you have to be kind. And guess what? Sometimes we do make mistakes, and when we do mistakes, we need to be able to say sorry. So we need to be able to say sorry. Okay? And then the last part, let's do brown. You have to be able to say or help others. So sometimes people need your help, and you have to be there for them. So you have to be able to help others. Okay, so these are some of the characteristics that you need to have in order to be a good friend. Now go ahead and take your brown crayon. Oh, first we need to write our name. So go ahead and on the line write your name. I'm going to write it with my marker. You should all have a black marker now. So go ahead and write your name on the line. It says Miss Osta's friendship. So I'm going to go ahead and color the entire thing. It's okay if you go outside the lines because we're going to cut this out. If you feel like you're going to go out, make sure you have your messy mat. That way you don't get the table dirty. Okay, there you go. And now we're going to cut all around. Cut on the dotted line. I'm just going to cut on the outside. Just so that I don't have to see that little edge. Okay, just like that. So I have my ship, the water, and the sun. Okay, make sure you're throwing away your trash as you go. So go ahead, and now we're going to start gluing. Let me get my glue. Where did my glue go? Right here. Okay. We're going to start with the water. So take your water, put some glue. You can do this side or the other side. Doesn't really matter. Just put glue. And And this one we're going to put on the bottom. Okay, if it sticks out, don't worry, we can cut the X's out. Okay, so that's fine. And now I'm going to glue the sun. Okay, the sun should go in this corner. Like that. And the last part is going to be our ship. So go ahead and glue the ship. To our paper. Alright. Just like that. Now if your paper is like mine and it's sticking out a little bit, the blue part, you can just grab the scissors and cut that out. There you go. And you have your friendship. Alrighty, make sure you take a picture when you're all done, that way I can see your work. Alrighty. And make sure you're listening to the story and the song. Alrighty, boys and girls, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.